Welcome to day 2 of the 5 Luo Words A Day. Today we learn about abama. Abama is crooked or twisted out of shape. Like the trees that are growing there, we can say Gedongo abama. They are growing crooked. Number 2, you can also talk about perverted. A person or their action. It is characterized by sexually abnormal and unacceptable practice or tendencies. So someone who has perverted behavior is abama. Abama. Number 2, abamba or obambi. Obambi. That's an adverb. Obambi means sliced. So, like wretch, like fish, you can say wretch ma obambi. Ring abamba. That is sliced or dried meat. Wretch ma obambi is a sliced fish. And Luos call them obambo. Obambo means it had been sliced and dried. Abambi, obambi can also mean the spread eagle. The spread eagle that is pictured below. The third one is abana. Fold is ban. Ban, that's fold. So the adverb abana means it's folding over each other. Folding over each other. That is abana. Abandha. Abandha. Someone who is unrelenting, persistent, and continuous in demanding for anything, you would say abandha. 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 The fifth one is abang, chieth. Abang, chieth. Abang, chieth is the sparrow, the type of bird called the sparrow. Abang, chieth. See you tomorrow.